Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cleaned up my fish. Okay, this is a head fish. I'm going to make some soup with it for tomorrow. That's why I'm cleaning them up a day ahead. Okay, what I did, I got some water, cold water, and then I put some salt and vinegar. Okay, this is the vinegar. Okay, and as you can see, I have oranges, sour oranges, and I have my lime. Okay, in the water. Okay, what I'm doing, you see this fish already pre-cleaned. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm just getting the extra blood out. Okay, you see that? Okay, and then I already take off the eye because I don't like to see those big eyeballs. Okay, just get it all the blood out. Okay, in the market, if you ask, they can just go ahead and then clean them up for you. That's what I did. Okay, I don't really have that much to do. Okay, all I'm doing is just take off the extra leftover skin. Okay, and now I'm just gonna rub my oranges, sour oranges on my fish. Okay. Okay, this is when you do that, guys, give it a good smells. Okay, and then you don't smell that strong fish smell thing. I don't like it. Okay, just rub it. We are good. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now I'm going to use another lime. Okay, and after that, guys, I'm going to let it sit in the water for like 10 minutes extra, and then I'm going to make my marinades. Okay, for my fish. Okay, let it stay overnight, so tomorrow I can just go ahead and make my soup. Okay, all right, when we come back, I'll show you guys how I make my marinades. Okay, what I'm doing with my fish. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now as you can see, I have my marinades. Okay, and there I have basil pesto and bouillon. Okay, this is what I use, and also I use basil and with my Maggi cubes. Okay, you can get that anywhere, and I get half a lime. Now I'm putting my marinades on my fish. Okay, okay, now you have it. You see that? Okay, I'm going to let it sit in the fridge, okay, for tomorrow overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going when it's ready, and then I'll make my soup. Okay, it's known as bouillon in Haiti. Okay, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, have a wonderful night. Enjoy. Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys. By the way, how you guys doing? Okay, I'm doing good. Okay, so by the way, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious head fish soup slash bouillon. Okay, it's my mama's favorite recipe. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use. Okay, she made that last week, guys. My lord, I said, you know what, I'm going to do that on my own. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I start cutting on my potatoes. Okay, I'm not going to use too much vegetables. Okay, and here I have my head fishes. Okay, I cleaned up yesterday and then let them stay overnight in the fridge. Okay, and I have my flour dough. Okay, and I have my coconut milk. All right, and I have my okra. Okay, I'm going to make it exact same way she made it last week. Okay, and I have my garlic, my tomato paste. Okay, and I have all my veggies here. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to mess it up. Okay, just like she made it. Okay, and I'm cutting up my potatoes. What I'm going to do now, guys, let's start adding our garlic. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Okay. Going to let that cook. Now let's finish up our potatoes. Okay, like I said guys, I have to make that the same way she made it because that's her recipe, okay? Okay, now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Okay, now I'm cutting up my peppers. Okay. And then I have half a leek. Not too small guys, I'm just, okay, like that, okay? Okay, my carrots. Everything going in the pot at the same time guys. And then after that, I'm going to add my fish. Okay. Because I don't want to put it now, guys. You don't want it to get like, you know, mixed up because I want them to stay big size. Okay. Now I'm going to add my okra. Okay, my tomato paste. Alright. Now I'm adding some parsley. Okay. Alright guys. Okay, I'm going to let the okras cook, okay, for like 5 minutes, and then when we come back, we're going to add our fish, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add my fish. Okay. Okay. I'm adding the marinade. Okay. Alright guys. Okay, now I'm adding my coconut milk. Like I said guys, I have to make it just the way she made it, okay? That's her recipe. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let it boil for like 5 minutes, 5 more minutes, and then when we come back, we're going to add our potatoes and then do the other thing, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now it's time to add the potatoes and some warm water, okay? Let me show you guys. Okay, here. Okay, now I'm adding my potatoes. Okay, I'm going to add some warm water, not too much, just a little bit. Okay, okay, that should be enough. A little bit more, yes. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I'm going to add this hot pepper, guys, because you gotta make your soup very spicy when it comes to fish. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. Mix it up. Okay, onion powder. Okay, and my bouillon. Okay, not too much. All right, black pepper. Okay, all right, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up, and then when we come back, let it cook, and then we're going to add our dumplings. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add our dough. Okay, let me show you guys what's going on. Okay, I'll cover that. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, as I showed you before in my previous video, okay, that's how I do my dumplings. Okay, you see that? Beautiful, right? Okay. You see all my head fishes, okay? They look so beautiful. I cannot wait to start eating them. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to finish my dumplings. Okay, when we come back, we'll check on everything else. Okay, everything should be ready. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now my fish coconut milk soup is ready now. So let me show you guys what I started doing. Okay, as you can see, my plate already fixed. I'm going to add that hot pepper and some fresh parsley. Okay, you gotta have your parsley, guys, at the end. Okay, you see that head fish looks very nice. Okay, ready to eat. Okay, guys, all right, that's it. Okay, it's very easy. Like I said, it's my mama's. Okay, if you want to give it a try, okay, go ahead, go for it. Okay, it's very good, delicious. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Okay, remember, have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.